Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today's gonna be another quick video. This video is just to show you how to apply beard balm or beard wax. Pretty much the same process with both, so I'll just do one video for both. All right. Now the difference between a beard balm or wax compared to beard oils is designed for the skin to moisturize the skin. Beard balm and beard wax is designed to help your beard, either to moisturize your beard to make it look healthy and shiny, or to help hold it down to shape it the way you want. All right. Anyways, let's get into it. All right. So first, what you need to do is just grab your beard balm or oil. I have some beard balm right here. All right, now what I do, I'll just get it with my fingernail, get a good chunk like that, right? And it's real simple. You just put it on in your hand, like to rub it in, right? Now it should kind of lose its color, right? Turn kind of clear. That's what you want. You don't want anything that stays like white or milky. All right, you want it to turn clear. Then you just rub it on, like so. Trying to make sure you get it on all your hair. All right. Like such. All right. And what that does is it moisturizes your hair. It gets it nice and shiny. And you just grab your beard and brush it down. Or you grab your beard. Grab your brush and brush it down. Alright, pretty simple video. I just wanted to put it out there in case anybody had any questions. Alright, hey, if this was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button. I appreciate it greatly, and have a great day.